Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. It's a little bit after Easter. You know what happens after Easter? Ham goes on sale. So we're going to cook some ham, green beans, and potatoes. If it sounds good to you, sit back, relax, and hang out, and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start this out. All I'm going to do, my slow cooker here, got me a nice chunk of ham, set it down there in the bottom. I got me some vegetable broth, because I like the vegetable broth with this meal. Alright. And that vegetable broth smells delicious, you know. That's the brand I use. So, alright. We're going to put the lid on this thing, and we're going to cook her on low for, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 hours, something like that. Then we'll add our green beans and our taters, and we'll have a tasty meal. So, y'all hang out while this is cooking, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, this has been cooking for a while. Let's see what kind of shape this ham's in. We're hoping that it's just going to be fall apart tender. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's what we want. I'll be able to break that up. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect for ham, green beans, and potatoes. Chunk it up. That is perfect. Alright, let me finish doing this up. We'll bring you all back. Oh, you all are fogged up. There you go. Look at that. Now you can see. See? It's all falling apart nice and piecey like that. So you're fogging up again. Alright, I'm going to bring you all back. I'm going to finish breaking this up in pieces. Then we'll add the rest. Alright y'all, got that all broke up. Nice and neat. Now when I'm doing stuff like this, I like using these steaming bag potatoes. And I like baby reds. So, because the reason I like using those is because they're already cleaned and ready to cook. Saves me a step. I don't have to do it myself. So get those down in there. And I'm going to add 2 cans of green beans. I need to dump the juice off of them because there's plenty of juice in there. And there's 1 can. And I keep banging you guys around. And there's the second can. So I'm just going to mix this up, get them beans and taters all down in there. Now, I like the green beans in these. That's why I use 2 cans. I probably could have got away with 1. But, yeah. So make sure that's all down in there and down in that liquid. Alright. There's that. We're going to throw the lid back on her, and we're going to cook her about another hour or so. Keep checking them taters. And them taters are nice and tender, and they're done good. So that's ready. We'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, let's check this out. Of course you went foggy again. Whoop, there you go. Oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. I know them taters are done. Oh yeah, look at that. Taters are nice and done. So only thing left to do is scoop some out into the bowl, and we'll get some eating done here. Ooh. Down here and get me some of them green beans. Look at that. Give me a couple taters in there. Oh yeah. You guys are all foggy again. You gotta keep your eyeballs clear. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is awesomeness. Woohoo-wee! Alright, let me grab an eating utensil and we'll give us here a taste test. Alright, y'all. Time to give us here a taste test. Got me a little tater here first. That is awesome. A bit of ham here. My favorite green beans. So good. Oh, so good. And to wash this all down, we got some homemade iced tea. Unsweet. Y'all Southerners, don't get on me. Can't have the sugar, so we're doing the unsweet. Ain't nothing better than homebrewed tea. Alright, y'all. That'll do it for today. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know it wasn't real long, but it is real simple. Love the crock pot. Cook that ham up in there. Add your vegetables. Awesome. I'm gonna be making, probably might be making some vegetable soup here sometime too. Might not be till fall, but I do the same thing in the crock pot. Cook it up in there all day long. Wow. Oh, awesome. So, if you like this recipe, please, y'all, down there and hit that thumbs up. You know, helps the channel out. Leave me a comment. Share this out to your friends. Get them watching these things too. So, appreciate y'all. Don't forget about the Sunday live stream. Check it out. We have a good time here. And that's all I got for today, y'all. As always, bon appetit.